Interspecific and intraspecific interrelationship among fishes with different other organisms, parasitism, commensalisms, mutualisms, predator and cannibalisms. Introduction. Fish live in diverse aquatic ecosystems where their survival is influenced by both abiotic, non-living, and biotic, living, factors. Among biotic factors, interactions with other organisms play a crucial role in their growth, behavior, reproduction, and overall population dynamics. These interactions can be classified into intraspecific, within the same species, and interspecific, between different species, relationships. The key ecological interrelationships in fish communities include parasitism, commensalism, mutualism, predation, and cannibalism. Understanding these interactions is essential in fish biology, aquaculture, and conservation ecology. Influence of biotic factors on fish life. Biotic factors such as availability of food, presence of predators, competition, and symbiotic relationships determine the survival and distribution of fish species. Food availability directly impacts fish growth and reproductive success, while predation pressure leads to the evolution of defensive adaptations such as schooling behavior, camouflage, and toxin production. Competition for resources like food, shelter, and mates can occur both within species, intraspecific, and between species, interspecific, influencing population dynamics and ecosystem stability. 1. Parasitism. Parasitism is a relationship in which one organism, the parasite, benefits at the expense of another organism, the host. In fish populations, parasites can be external, ectoparasites, or internal, endoparasites, affecting fish health, behavior, and survival. Examples. Ichthyophthirius multifilius, itch disease, a protozoan parasite that infects freshwater fish, causing skin damage and mortality. Parasitic copepods, Lernia or anchorworms, attach to the skin and gills of fish, leading to wounds and infections. Trematode larvae, flukes, that infect fish tissues, altering their behavior and making them more vulnerable to predators. Parasitism can have ecological and economic impacts, especially in fisheries and aquaculture, where parasite infestations reduce fish quality and productivity. Commensalism is an interaction where one species benefits, while the other remains unaffected. In fish communities, commensal relationships are often observed in habitat sharing and transportation. Examples. Remora fish attached to sharks, rays, and turtles using a suction disc on their heads. They get free transport and feed on leftover scraps without harming the host. Certain gobies and shrimps live within the burrows of larger organisms for protection, gaining shelter without affecting the host. Some small fish species hide among the spines of sea urchins to avoid predation. These interactions help certain fish species survive in competitive environments without directly impacting their hosts. Mutualism is a relationship where both species benefit from the interaction. These relationships are crucial in maintaining ecosystem balance and improving the health of aquatic species. Examples. Cleaner fish and host fish. Cleaner fish, e.g., wrasses, cleaner shrimp, remove parasites and dead skin from larger fish, providing a health benefit to the host while obtaining food. Clownfish and sea anemones. Clownfish find shelter among anemone tentacles, gaining protection from predators, while the anemone benefits from food scraps and increased aeration. Coral reef fish and corals. Some fish species contribute to coral reef health by controlling algae growth and providing nutrients through excretion. Mutualistic relationships help fish avoid diseases, improve feeding efficiency, and reduce predation risks. Predation is a direct interspecific interaction where one organism, the predator, hunts and consumes another, the prey. Predation plays a vital role in controlling fish populations and maintaining ecological balance. Examples. Piscivorous fish, fish-eating species, such as barracuda, pike, and tuna prey on smaller fish species. Ambush predators like anglerfish and stonefish use camouflage and lures to catch unsuspecting prey. Sharks and marine food chains. As apex predators, sharks regulate prey populations and maintain marine biodiversity. Predation leads to evolutionary adaptations such as speed, agility, camouflage, schooling behavior, and toxin production in prey species to evade predators. Cannibalism. Cannibalism occurs when fish consume members of their own species, often due to overcrowding, food scarcity, or territorial behavior. Cannibalism can be classified into larval, juvenile, and adult cannibalism. Examples: tiger sharks exhibit intrauterine cannibalism, where stronger embryos consume weaker siblings inside the mother's womb. Tilapia and cichlids sometimes exhibit filial cannibalism, where parents consume their own eggs or fry under stressful conditions. Pike and catfish practice size-based cannibalism, where larger individuals prey on smaller ones to reduce competition. While cannibalism can control population size, it also reduces genetic diversity and survival rates in fish communities. Conclusion: fish exhibit diverse ecological interactions, ranging from harmful, parasitism, predation, cannibalism, to neutral, commensalism, and beneficial, mutualism, relationships. These interactions influence fish survival, population dynamics, and ecosystem health. Understanding these relationships is essential for fisheries management, conservation, and aquaculture to ensure sustainable fish populations. Key takeaways: biotic factors shape fish behavior, growth, and survival. Intraspecific and interspecific interactions determine population dynamics. Symbiotic relationships like mutualism and commensalism benefit species coexistence. Predation and cannibalism regulate fish populations, but can also cause population decline.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.